Barbecue fam, today we're doing up a chuck roast on the S&S kettle, and we're doing this low and slow, and we're going to do it like a brisket. They call it the poor man's brisket, but these days I don't think even a poor man can afford a chuck roast because the prices have skyrocketed on any meat. So this chuck roast we're putting in to the S&S kettle grill with that deluxe basket. It was a 2.0, now it's a deluxe, and I put water into that, and we're cooking about 275. Then we're going to wrap it, and we're going to put beef tallow, the Wagyu beef tallow, in the butcher paper. Wrap it up nice and tight, put it back in right around the 160 degree mark. And then we're going to bring it up to about 205 and then slice into this bad boy. Oh, hell yeah. So we're trying out a new meat thermometer. It is extremely cold out. Anyway, this chuck roast, we're putting the MeatStick into it. And we're going to check the probe temperature, and it also checks the ambient temperature. So I threw another one in there as well, my SmartRow, to check that ambient temperature, and we'll see how close they are, and we'll go from there. So this MeatStick is pretty cool. We started off kind of off, way off actually, and as it continued, much like most controllers on like pellet grills and gravity smokers, they learn and they get better. But this got better really quick compared to those. So very excited about that. And it tracks your whole cook, your ambient temperature, your internal temperature. That's pretty badass. And it's wireless, so you don't have to run wires everywhere and then they go bad. And so this is pretty badass. Put in some batteries and it's magnetic. This little gimmick here, boom, sticks. Oh hell yeah. So far I like it. Pretty cool. At first I was, what the heck. There we go. We're still rolling. It's got a pretty cool app, and you can edit as you go. It sets off alarms that are not annoying like most probes. They're not just screaming, but yeah, it's a decent thing. I like it. So we'll be using the MeatStick on a few more cooks, and we'll see how it does. But right now, at first I was real skeptical. And I thought, nope, ain't working. But it is now. And we're toward the end of the cook, so it's working out great. I just checked some temps with another internal probe. With that one, very close, super close, so awesome.
Give me a hell yeah! I said give me a hell yeah!
Damn. Check the smoke ring on that bad boy. Damn. That's got some flavor, boy. Holy. Awesome bark. Awesome smoke ring. 5 hours. Slow and sear kettle. Pecan wood and hickory chunks. I threw both of those in there, and damn, it's amazing. Pulled it out of the Cryovac. Salt, Uncle Steve's smoke bomb, and black pepper. 16 mesh black pepper. That's it. Amazing. Oh hell yeah! I didn't spritz, nothing. I did add water to the trough in that slow and sear deluxe. So during this cook, we used the MeatStick. First time having a wireless probe, and in the beginning, I was like, this is not working so great. But as the cook continued, this started to work awesome. So I checked another probe as well. They both compared very within a couple degrees. So the MeatStick and the app is pretty damn cool. So go check them out, man. Seriously, this could save you running wires through all your freaking grills, and that's awesome. Hell yeah. So the MeatStick, in my opinion, yes, it works. Now, don't go crazy and put this thing into like 600 degrees or whatever. I'm gonna be trying this out on like a pork butt, a brisket later. But a chuck roast was a perfect first test. And that first 2 hours wasn't so great. So if you get one, the beginning, just like a PID controller, possibly, I don't know if that's how it works, but it got better. And it got very accurate toward the end of the cook. So we'll see how this goes on the next cook. I'm going to be using this a few times, obviously. And I'm happy to have one. Oh, hell yeah. So guys, get out there. Throw on some chuck roast because it's the right price and it's a great cut of meat, and enjoy yourself during this going into the holiday season. Chuck roast, smoked, oh hell yeah, awesome smoke ring. And if you want the wicked pictures of chuck roast with a smoke ring, let it sit outside at about 50 degrees for about 10 minutes. The smoke ring gets really dark. I didn't do that here, but it might be on video, so check it out.
I said give me a hell yeah!
I'm thirsty.